we were laying in line, and the fire alarm is going off. I can see it lighting up. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. This is what happens when it has a trouble. I saw a trouble on the panel yesterday because it was all like orange, and now this is what This is what happens when you are ready for picture day and your fire alarm goes off at school. I bet no one else notices. I bet everyone's gonna evacuate. Because once I get inside, I think it's gonna still be going off. I think so.
They won't let you guys go inside if it's going off.
That's funny.
We're gonna be sitting out here for a minute.
That's funny, it's going off, right?
Mm-hmm. I wonder if somebody pulled it.
Yeah. What if someone pulled it?
What if somebody did?
What if someone was like, I'm not doing this today. I'm not ready for picture day.
Maybe.
I look like I'm a baby. I don't want to wear my special outfit. But they just pulled it. I bet someone actually did.
They had to, because they wouldn't be testing it right before school starts.
Yeah. Because I know 6th grade is testing today, and this is probably why they pulled it, because they're testing. That's just music to my ears. You hear the one that's like, that one is the one that would, that's what it sounded like if I got that one. But that one is like the door is open, and did you ever hear a boo boo? Did you hear that?
I can hear it.
Once they
Okay, let's wait and see if this bus lets these kids off.
are they letting them off? Wait. They're actually about to. They're about to. I bet they recognize what it sounds like. I bet they recognize it's a fire alarm. Did you think this was gonna happen? Nope. I thought it was gonna happen. It's probably because of the gas of the car. Because it detected it.
No, I think somebody pulled it.
Yeah, I think someone pulled it out. I can't believe it's still going off.
Is it the main building or is it over here?
It's
At
this
other part.
this area and that area. Because they're both connected. They're connected underground. Are they gonna say sorry about the fire alarm? I wonder if the school's on fire.
Well, cars are moving, so they're still letting kids get out. At least it appears that way. Because the bell just rang.
Isn't that Integrity horn strobe so loud? That's why they call it horn
Yeah,
strobe.
that's why they let the kids off the bus.
Yeah.
I'm thinking it might be that other
I bet they're
building.
all laughing. What?
I'm thinking it might be that other building over there.
No, I hear it this way. I hear it this way.
Well,
I don't hear it
they're
over there.
letting kids
It's this
go.
way.
I can't hear it.
Oh, I think they just said someone pulled it. Or it's just a test. I think someone was inspecting because look, they're moving. They're moving.
Yeah, we're getting ready to roll.
I imagine when I imagine when I get inside and then just still going, oh, just stop.
Turn off the phone.
Stop.